Are you guys okay? Thank you guys for being here. Once again, I'm singing. Yeah, just chill, sit back, relax, and enjoy the music. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet, to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much to heal. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's a typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sure. I hope that you will. Did you ever make it out of town when nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry. Then that I'll done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least that I did it, that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. From the other side, I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the other side. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello. Thank you. I I wanna sing birds of a feather, we should stick together. That's my top one favorite right now. I know you guys know that song, so maybe I'll sing that song for you guys, okay? But we'll try the piano version so that it feels like heaven. It's like heaven. Thank you, Camille sa Batang Quiapo. Sino si Camille? I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away, then I'm buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can change the weather, might that be forever? It's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die, till the day that I die, till the light leaves my eyes, till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I thought you. You're so full of shit. No, tell me it's a bit. No, say you don't see it. Your mind's polluted. See you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say